your girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing the redesigned Social Security statement, how you can obtain it, how you can read it, and the valuable information that it provides. Your girl is going to walk you through it step by step, my darling. Now, I've been helping my elderly father navigate his Social Security benefits, and guys, it has been rough, okay? Like this Medicare, Medicaid, all this stuff, like it's giving me a headache. And I know if I'm confused, I know you guys are probably confused. So I said, you know what? I'm going to bring this to my channel as well for those who want to learn about their future Social Security benefits, your current earnings, your histories, how you can make sense of it, how to make it easier. Yeah, so if you want to know how you can get your Social Security statement and what is going on in the world of Social Security, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friends. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below on your end, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like if you find this information valuable. Now, if you are old enough and you have worked long enough, then you may recall we used to get like the annual Social Security statement in the mail. Normally, this usually comes about 3 months before your birthday and it gives you like an estimation of your benefits. But with budget cuts, a lot of states have stopped mailing these for most workers. Now you have to go online. And I mean, it's online for everything. If you don't have an account, or maybe you've forgotten your password because things happen, you will need this information before you can view the Social Security Administration website or your personal benefits. Now, the Social Security Administration has given this statement a makeover, and guys, when I say it's good, it's really good. Like, first, the statement is shorter, so it's only 2 pages. And then it tells you how much you or your family can expect to get, like in disability and survivor benefits, as well as retirement benefits. To me, the most useful change of the statement is the color bar chart, where it shows your estimated monthly retirement payments that you will get each month starting at the age of 62 when you first become eligible. Now, previous statements showed that the monthly amount at 62, then it showed like your full retirement age, and then an estimate of what you will receive if you waited until you were 70 years old, because we all know like the increases stop at 70 or when you reach 70. Now, this redesigned statement, it clears up any confusion about when you can claim your Social Security benefits, because there were some people who believed that their benefits would increase once they reach their full retirement age. So some people thought, hey, if I get it at 62 and then when I turn 67, I'll get an increase, but that's not necessarily true. If you claim your Social Security at 62, your monthly benefits drop significantly, okay? And except you still will get your yearly cost of living adjustment. So we just had that this year with the 5.9% increase. But if you start taking your benefits at 62, you're locked in for that for the rest of your life. And I mean, you know, I get it. Some of you, you know, you're like, hey, I need it now. But if you did wait to about 67 or your full retirement age, you're looking at about 29% increase. And then if you waited until a full retirement age of 70, you'll get a big increase. I mean, like a big dondada, okay? The redesign includes fact sheets tailored with other information that you may have overlooked in your previous statements. It also includes a summary of things that you should know, but we'll go over them just in case if you don't. So 1, you need at least 10 years of work or 40 credits to qualify for retirement benefits. And once you look at the statement, it will go ahead and let you know if you qualify for benefits. Now, your benefit amount is based on your highest of 35 years of earning, which you can review like your earnings in the earnings record block as well. So if you have like fewer than 35 years of earnings, then the years that you don't work, they count as 0. And this can also reduce the amount that you receive as well of benefits. If you return to work though, the benefit amount, it could increase as well. Now, if you are divorced and were married for at least 10 years, then you may be able to claim benefits on ex-spouse's record as well. Let me know if you want a video about that, because we can go into a little bit more detail. But like I said, it does have a section where you can view like your survivor benefits, your credits, and then we can also discuss like Medicare in other videos as well, because I'm entering this maze with my father. But this is a quick summary of the statement, which you should review this, especially if retirement is in your near future. Let's move on to setting up an account. First, you will have to go to Ssa.Gov and click on the link that says My Social Security. Now, if you place a security freeze or fraud alert or both on your credit report, then you will not be able to access your account until you remove the freeze first, okay? Because Social Security uses information in your credit file to verify your identity. So once you establish an account, you can go in and freeze your account again. But as of right now, guys, it's critical that you go ahead and access this information. There's about 63 million people who have already created an online account on Social Security, but there's tens of millions who are not receiving this information. And if you're about to retire, this is critical information in your retirement planning. Now, there's also a legislation right now that is pending that is called Know Your Social Security Act that would force Social Security to resume mailing out those annual statements to about 180 million American workers between the age of 25 and 60 who are paying into Social Security right now. So Social Security will still give you a statement though if you are 60 or older or about 3 months before your birthday. It should come, because these are the people that's getting ready to retire as well. And I mean, honestly, guys, though, you really just need to set up an online account if you haven't. For those that have created an account, go ahead and sign in. For those that do not have an account, click on Create an Account. Here, you're going to enter your phone number and your email, and a verification code will be sent to your device. Verifying like your identity to access online services, you're going to have to enter like your name, your Social Security number, your date of birth, your home address, and your phone number. Now, Social Security does allow you to add an extra layer of security. So if you want to put those great pictures of your grandchildren from your smartphone or input any financial information, which I don't suggest, you can submit the information as well. But once you hit submit, there will be an activation code submitted as well. And once you do this, guys, voila, like you can see your information. You can print or even save a copy of your PDF statement. You will be presented with retirement ready information such as your eligibility and your earnings. It also shows like your retirement planning, and you can even replace your Social Security card. Now, guys, speaking of replacing Social Security cards, Minnesota just has been approved where they can order replacement Social Security cards online as well. And you can request this online. Now, there's a few states where you cannot request a Social Security card online, and that is in Alaska, New Hampshire, Oklahoma, and West Virginia. And guys, I suggest you to do more things online if you can, and that's just because right now their offices are overloaded and you're waiting 3 and 4 hour on hold times, okay? So the more that you can do online, it only helps you. So if you need a card, order a card. Now, you may not see ordering a replacement card available to you if your driver's license or identification card was issued by a U.S. territory, such as like American Samoa, Guam, Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, or the U.S. Virgin Islands. You can apply for a replacement Social Security online if you are a U.S. citizen, age 18 or older, with a U.S. mailing address. This includes like APO, FPO, and DPO addresses. As long as you're not requesting or addressing a name change or any type of change to your card, you still will be able to order one online. If you have a driver's license or state identification card from one of the many participating states or the District of Columbia, but also like in Delaware, Wisconsin, and Nevada, this service is only available if you have a driver's license in that state as well. So let's go ahead and address the $1,400 stimulus check, because I've been receiving a lot of messages from my seasoned seniors that saying, hey, will Social Security recipients get a $1,400 stimulus check? Are they going to get any more money? Because the 5.9 increase was just not enough, especially when insurance costs have increased all around the board, especially for monthly premiums and deductibles. So I get it, guys. And as of right now, there is no update to report when it comes to the $1,400 stimulus. I'm not sure if it's going to happen. When I look at the Senior Citizens League on their website, they stated that they wanted an answer by this upcoming summer. So, I mean, they're still going to Congress and advocating on your behalf. But as of right now, it's a no for the $1,400 stimulus check. And then also when it comes to the 5.9% increase, because I know there's some issues with that in your food stamps as well. I have a few videos that are coming out that can help you. But let me know if you like videos like this in regards to Social Security and how you can access the Social Security website, as well as how to get your benefits statement. And let me know if there's any other Social Security videos that you would like to see from me. And I enjoy doing this. So hope this was helpful to you. Comment down below, and yeah, if you have any other questions, I'll be right back. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.